even and odd function, and today's in the interval minus pi to pi, and today's class also will discuss even and odd functions and examples on even and odd function, right? So before that we'll discuss properties. So these properties are very important. So first one, the product of two even functions and the product of two odd functions is a even function. The product of two even functions and the product of two odd functions is always even function, whereas the product of an even function and odd function is always odd, and this property is very important. And second one, so integration from minus pi to integration from minus a to plus a phi of x dx is equal to 2 times of 0 to a phi of x dx, and this is possible only when phi of x is even, and this is 0 if phi of x is odd function. So with these two, so we'll discuss even and odd function. So even and odd function in the interval minus pi to pi. Suppose if the interval is minus pi to pi, to check for given function is a even or odd. So you substitute x is equal to minus x, right? Now I'll take fx as an even function. So substitute x is equal to minus x, where in f of x. If you get plus f of x even function, obviously bn is equal to 0. Similarly, if you get f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, then it is a odd function. Odd function means a naught, an both equal to 0, right? If for a even function, if bn is 0, right? Next, a naught and an will be a naught is equal to 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x dx, and an is 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. This is for even function, right? For odd function, so we have a naught and an both equal to 0, and bn is equal to 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. This is for continuous function. So for continuous function, interval is minus pi to pi. If for continuous function, interval is minus pi to pi. So replace x is equal to minus x in f of x. If you get plus f of x, even function, bn is 0, and a naught is equal to 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x dx, and an is 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. If you get f of minus x as a minus f of x, a naught and an both equal to 0, and bn is 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. This is for continuous function. Suppose if f of x is discontinuous function. Discontinuous function means here a function is divided into two or more sub functions, right? Here a function is divided into two sub functions. So f of x is equal to phi of x and psi of x. Phi of x interval is minus x to minus, interval is minus pi to 0, and for psi of x interval is 0 to pi, right? Now to check the given function is even and odd, 0 will be the point of discontinuity, right? To check a given function fx is even or odd, right? Substitute x is equal to minus x. If you get psi of x even function means here a naught an, you need to calculate bn is equal to 0. And if you get f of minus, if you get phi of minus x, this as a minus psi of x, then it is an odd function. Odd function means bn, a naught and an both equal to 0. You need to calculate only bn, right? So this is for the interval minus pi to pi. If suppose interval is 0 to 2 pi, to check this is for even and odd function, you need to substitute here x as a 2 pi minus x. You need to substitute here x as a 2 pi minus x. If you get minus f of x, bn is 0, you need to calculate a naught and an. A naught is 2 by pi. 0 to integration from 0 to pi f of x dx, and an is 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. And for odd function, a naught and an both equal to 0. So bn is equal to 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx, right? After replacing f of 2 pi minus x as 2, after replacing x as a 2 pi minus x, if you get f of 2 pi minus x equal to minus f of x, then given function is what here? Odd function. Odd function means here a naught and an both equal to 0. You need to calculate here only bn. So bn is 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. Right? Suppose if it is a discontinuous function, a function is divided into two subfunctions, phi of x and psi of x. Interval will be 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi. Means here interval pi is the pi is the point of discontinuity, and interval is 0 to 2 pi. Again period is 2 pi minus 0, means you will get this as a 2 pi, right? Now substitute x is equal to 2 pi minus x, where in phi of x. If you get plus psi of x, it is a even function, bn is 0. If you get minus psi of x, odd function, a naught and an both equal to 0. So let us see the simple examples. Now f of x is 1 plus 2x divided by pi. X lies between minus pi to 0, and f of x is equal to 1 minus 2x divided by pi, and x lies between 0 to pi, right? Now interval will be minus pi to pi, because 0 is the point of discontinuity. Put x is equal to minus x, where in phi of x, take this 1 plus 2x divided by pi as a phi of x, and 1 minus 2x divided by pi as a psi of x. Put x is equal to minus x in pi of x. If you get psi of x, even function. If you get minus psi of x, odd function. Phi of minus x is equal to 1 plus 2 into minus x divided by pi, because x is replaced by minus x. 1 minus 2x divided by pi. So this is nothing but psi of x, means phi of minus x is psi of x. So this shows that fx is a even function. Fx is even function means here you need to calculate only a naught and an. So bn will be 0 obviously. So let us see second example, simple one. Only we are checking here even and odd nature. So f of x is equal to x minus pi by 2. Take this as a phi of x, and x plus pi by 2. Take this as a psi of x, and interval is minus pi to 0 and 0 to pi. So here 0 is the point of discontinuity, means interval is minus pi to pi. So substitute x as a minus x in phi of x. So phi of minus x, because x is replaced by minus x, minus pi by 2, and here take minus common, inside will be x plus pi by 2. So x plus pi by 2 is psi of x with this negative sign, means minus psi of x. Minus psi of x means it is odd function. Odd function means here, odd function means it is a odd function means here a naught both equal to 0. You need to calculate only bn, right? Now so let us see next example. F of x is equal to x plus x square, and interval is minus pi to pi. So check for even and odd nature. Put x is equal to minus x, because interval is minus pi to pi, where in f of x. So f of minus x will be minus x plus minus x raised to 2. So minus x and plus minus x raised to 2 will be what here? X square, because multiply minus 2 times you'll get this as a x. So it is not a f of x, and it is not a minus f of x, means it is neither even nor odd, because f of x is x plus x square. We don't have this because minus x is there, and minus f of x means here minus x plus x square, but here minus x plus x square, right? So neither even nor odd. So such functions are called as a nano functions, right? Now with this, so we'll solve the examples. So first one, So here why we are discussing even and odd nature means for even function Bn will be 0, function a naught an will be 0, means we can reduce the calculation here, we can reduce the calculation here, right? So here let us see first example. Let us see here first example. Obtain the Fourier series in minus pi to pi for the function f of x is equal to x cos x, for the function f of x is equal to x cos x. So first here find period t. So period t is b minus a. So a is minus pi, b is pi. Pi minus pi will be 2 pi because minus into minus is plus. So pi plus pi is 2 pi. The Fourier series of fx having period t is equal to 2 pi is given by f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. Take this as a equation 1. So let us check for even and odd function. So first interval is minus pi to pi. Replace x as a minus x where in f of x. So f of minus x is equal to x cos x is there. So replace x as minus x. So minus x cos of minus x. Cos of minus theta will be cos theta. So cos of minus x is cos x. Multiply this with minus x. So you'll get this as a minus cos x. So f of minus x will be minus x cos x. So this is nothing but minus f of x, right? Now minus f of x means it is a given function is odd function. So we have to calculate here a naught and an. Our function means here a naught and an both equal to 0. We need to calculate only bn. So bn is equal to 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. So this is equal to 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi x cos x sin nx dx. It is a product of three functions. So we know what is sin a cos b. So we will apply sin a cos b formula. So we know that sin a cos b, this is equal to 1 by 2 sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So here a is nx and b is x. So using that we'll get here as 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi. X will be as it is sin nx cos x. Nx is a, x is b. So 1 by 2 sin nx plus x plus sin nx minus x dx. So nx plus x, so x is common. So next step will be 2 by pi. Take this 1 by 2 outside. These 2 get cancels. Integration from 0 to pi x sin n plus 1 x plus sin n minus 1 x dx. Right. So 1 by pi integration from 0 to pi x sin n plus 1 x dx plus 0 to pi x sin n minus 1 x dx. 1 by pi is equal to apply Bernoulli's rule integration by parts. So x into, so this is u and this is v, this is u and this is v. So apply Bernoulli's rule integration by parts. So u is x and v is sin n plus 1 x. So integration of this will be minus cos n plus 1 x divided by n plus 1. Differentiation of x is 1 and alternatively plus minus, and integration of this will be minus sin n plus 1 x divided by n plus 1 raised to 2. Apply limits 0 to pi plus x into here u is x and v is sin n minus 1 into x. So x into minus cos n minus 1 into x divided by n minus 1. Differentiation of x is 1 and integration of minus cos n minus 1 x divided by n minus 1 is minus sin n minus 1 x divided by n minus 1 raised to 2. Limits 0 to pi. Substitute upper and lower limit. So first here I will take advantage of this sign. So sin n pi is 0, sin n plus 1 pi is also 0, sin n minus 1 pi is also 0, sin 0 is 0. So you'll get these two terms as 0. You need to apply limits for only these two terms. So bn is equal to 1 by pi minus x, because x is there, minus x cos n plus 1 x divided by n plus 1 limits 0 to pi, plus minus x cos n minus 1 x divided by n minus 1 limits 0 to pi. Substitute upper and lower limit. 1 by pi minus 1 upon n plus 1 outside. In place of x, upper limit pi, pi cos n plus 1 pi minus in place of x 0. So cos 0 is 1, but multiplied by x is there. So 0 into something will be 0. So you'll get this as 0, minus in place of x substitute pi, 1 upon n minus 1, pi cos n minus 1 pi minus 0. Right? Because in place of x substitute 0, cos 0 is 1, but multiplied by x is there, so you'll get this as 0. Now simplification, bn is equal to 1 by pi minus pi divided by n plus 1. Cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n, cos n plus 1 pi is minus 1 raised to n plus 1, minus pi divided by n minus 1 minus 1 raised to n minus 1. So here both the term take minus pi outside. So minus pi divided by pi minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus minus 1 raised to n minus 1 divided by n minus 1. Now take minus 1 raised to n outside, and this minus will be as it is, minus 1 raised to 1 divided by n plus 1 plus minus 1 raised to minus 1 divided by n minus 1. But minus 1 raised to 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 raised to minus 1 is also 1 divided by minus 1 will be minus 1. So substituting this, minus 1 raised to n, minus 1 upon n plus 1 minus 1 upon n minus 1, take minus outside, and this minus will be plus, minus 1 raised to n, 1 upon n plus 1 plus 1 upon n minus 1, take LCM, n plus 1 is there, multiply n minus 1, n minus 1 is there, multiply n plus 1, minus 1 raised to n minus 1 plus n plus 1, 1 get plus 1 minus 1 get cancels. So minus 1 raised to n divided by 2n, minus 1 raised to n into 2n divided by n square minus 1, because n plus 1 n minus 1 will be a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, n square minus 1 square, 1 square is 1. So you'll get this as minus 1 raised to n, 2n divided by n square minus 1. So this results holds good for only n is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Means for n is not equal to 1. So if it is n is equal to 1, so denominator you will get this as a 0. So this result is holds good for n is not equal to 1. For n is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So now you need to calculate for n is equal to 1 whether you will get a value or 0 or something. So that we need to check. So b1 is equal to 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi x cos x as it is, and sine nx. So n is 1 means sine x. So we will get this as integration from 0 to pi x sine x cos x dx. But we know that 2 times of sine x cos x will be sine 2x, and already here 2 outside. Take this 2 to inside. So you'll get here as 1 by pi integration from 0 to pi x 2 sine x cos x. This is sine 2x. Now apply Bernoulli's rule for integration by parts. 1 by pi will be as it is. Take u as always polynomial, and rest will be v. So sine nx, sine 2x is v. So integration of this, apply Bernoulli's rule, integration by parts. 1 by pi is into x, integration of sine 2x is minus cos 2x divided by 2, minus differentiation of this x is 1, integration of minus cos 2x divided by 2 is minus sine 2x divided by 4. Apply limits 0 to pi, because differentiation of this constant is 0, 0 into something will be 0. Now limits apply, we need to apply limits. So again I will take advantage of this sine function. So sine n pi is 0, sine 2 pi is also 0, sine 0 is 0. So you'll get this term as 0, this term as 0. Only you need to apply limits for this term, right? 1 by pi, this minus 1 by 2 you take it outside, minus 1 upon 2 pi, because this pi is there. X cos to x, limits 0 to pi, upper limit minus lower limit, substituting upper limit, pi cos 2 pi minus cos 0 is 0, but multiplied by x is there, so you'll get this as a 0. Minus 1 upon 2 pi is as it is, minus 1 upon 2 pi, cos 2 pi is 1, because cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n. So cos 2 pi is minus 1 raised to 2. So you'll get this as a 1. 1 into pi is pi. So you'll get this 1 pi get cancelled. So b1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now substitute this in where in Fourier series. So f of x is x cos x, a naught 0, a n 0 plus b1 will be minus 1 by 2 sine nx plus summation of n is equal to 2 to infinity, because this result holds good for n is equal to 2 to infinity. This result holds good for n is equal to 2 to infinity. 2n minus 1 raised to n divided by n square minus 1 sine nx. Thus, x cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2 into sine x plus 2 into summation of n is equal to 2 to infinity n minus 1 raised to n divided by n square minus 1 sine nx. So this is first example. Now move on to second example. Move on to here. Second example, f of x is equal to mod x, interval is minus pi to pi. Obtain the Fourier series and hence prove that or show that, deduce that 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square so on is equal to pi square by 8. So first interval so is minus pi to pi. So substitute x is equal to minus x in f of x to check even and odd function. So before that, period t is equal to b minus a. So pi minus of minus pi is 2 pi. So check for even and odd nature. Put x is equal to minus x. F of x is mod x. So f of minus x is equal to mod of minus x. Mod of minus x means here you need to take positive values. So f of minus x is equal to mod x. So mod x means we have to take mod means positive values. So this will get this as a plus f of x. You'll get this as a plus f of x plus f of x is equal to mod x. So this is equal to x because we are only taking positive values, right? Mod x means here minus x plus x, but mod means what here? We have to take only positive values. So this is x, because mod means we have to consider positive and negative values both, but because of this mod, so we have to consider only positive values. So f of minus x is equal to f of x means the given function is even function. So consequently, obviously bn is equal to 0. We need to calculate only a naught and an. So a naught is equal to 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x dx, and an is equal to 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. Now a naught is equal to 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x is x dx. So integration of x is x square by 2, and this 2 by pi will be as it is and varies from 0 to pi. Now this 2, take this 2 by pi as it is and take 1 by 2 outside. 2 get cancels. X square varies from 0 to pi. Substitute upper and lower limit. 1 by pi, upper limit is pi square, lower limit is 0 square is 0. So 1 by pi into pi square or pi square divided by pi. So this is pi. This is a naught. So a naught by 2 is pi by 2. Now calculate an. So an is equal to 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi x cos nx dx. So apply Bernoulli's rule, integration by parts. 2 by pi x into sine nx divided by n. So this is u and this is v. Integration of cos nx is sine nx divided by n, minus differentiation of x is 1. Again integration of this minus cos nx divided by n square. Limits varies from 0 to pi, because differentiation of this constant will be 0. 0 into something is 0. Next terms you will get this as a 0. And we know that sine n pi and sine 0 is 0. So I'll take advantage of this sine function, and limits also this pi and 0. So substituting x is equal to pi, so sine n pi, this is 0. And substituting x is equal to 0, sine 0 is 0. So you'll get this whole term as 0. Only you calculate, you need to substitute limits for only cos nx for this term, cos nx divided by n square. So this minus into minus is plus, 2 by pi is as it is. Now this 1 by n square, you take it outside, right? So 2 divided by pi n square. So substitute limits here, in place of x upper limit, in place of x lower limit, cos n pi minus cos 0. Cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n, cos 0 is 1. So you'll get this as 2 divided by pi n square minus 1 raised to n minus 1. So an is equal to minus, take here minus outside. So minus 2 divided by pi n square, 1 minus of minus 1 raised to n. Now substituting this in Fourier series. So f of x is equal to pi by 2 plus b plus an. An is summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 2 divided by pi n square, 1 minus minus 1 raised to n cos nx. But 1 minus minus 1 raised to n is 0 when n is even, and this is 2 when n is odd. So next step will be f of x is equal to pi by 2 as it is, right? This plus into minus is minus, this 2 by pi, and for odd function we have this as a 2, and for even function this as a 0. So I'll take here odd function as 135. So we are taking only odd values, means you will get this value as a 2. So we'll get next step as pi by 2 minus 4 by pi, summation of, because this you'll get this even means 2 you will get here, right? This 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 by pi, you take it outside, summation of n is equal to 135, so on, because for odd values you will get 2, for even values you will get this as a 0, means this result holds good for only odd values, right? So 4 by pi, summation of n is equal to 135, so on up to infinity, cos nx divided by n square. So to deduce the result, because we need to prove 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on is equal to pi square by 8. So for that we have to substitute the value of x, and we need to get that result. So for that cos nx is there, this cos nx is there. So this value I need this as a 1. So this possibility will be this as 1, possibility will be by substituting x is 0, because cos 0 is 1. So substitute x as a 0. F of x is x, so f of 0 is 0. So f of 0 is equal to pi by 2 minus 4 by pi, summation of n is equal to 135, so on up to infinity, cos 0 divided by n square, right? So f of 0 is 0. So next step will be 0 is equal to pi by 2 minus 4 by pi, summation of n is equal to 135, so on up to infinity, 1 by 1 square. So pi by 2 is equal to 4 by pi, summation of 135, n is equal to 135 up to infinity, 1 by n square. Now go take this 4 by pi this side. So pi by 2 divided by 4 by pi, or taking reciprocal, so you'll get this as pi square by 8, and substituting n is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, so on. So you'll get here as 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. So this will be the required solution, and tomorrow I will continue. So summary of this today's class is, first, why we are discussing even and odd function. We are discussing even and odd function to reduce, we will reduce here calculation part, right? Because if interval is minus pi to pi, substitute x is equal to minus x in f of x. If you get a plus f of x even function means here you need to calculate only a naught and an, obviously bn will be 0. If you get here minus f of x, you need to calculate only bn, a naught and an is equal to 0. If it is 0 to 2 pi interval, so substitute x is equal to 2 pi minus x in f of x. If you get plus f of x, even function. If you get minus f of x, odd function. For even function, you need to calculate only a naught and an, and for odd function you need to calculate only bn. So advantage of this even and odd function is we can reduce here calculation part, right? So today I will stop here only. Tomorrow also I will solve few more examples on this Fourier series using even and odd function, right? So today I'll stop here only. Thank you everyone.